I am really enjoying these clear glass coffee mugs by Kook. They came really well packaged, and all of my glasses arrived in perfect condition. These mugs are made with a thicker, sturdy glass with a handle and a pedestal design at the base for maximum stability. I love using these mugs for my coffee, and in my opinion, they hold the ideal amount of liquid. I also like that the handle remains cool to the touch even when you fill the mug with a hot drink. And even after microwaving, I have microwave drinks in these mugs up to 2.5 minutes, and the handle remain very comfortable to hold and grab. These glass mugs also do really well in the dishwasher. I like to wash mine on the sanitize cycle, which is extremely hot, and these glasses come out as good as new. So if you're looking for well-made, clear glass mugs, I 100% recommend these.